As to introduce our innovation, natural color is a method that is the production of color from nature as a material to be used during coloring activities. According to this technique, students will be asked to try using the natural colors produced for coloring. The main idea of extracting dyes from plants, which is natural sources, is to avoid the environmental pollution. Now, concerning the global health, the use of eco-friendly and biodegradable materials and considerable research work is being undertaken around the world on the application of natural dyes in textile industry. This color allows students to produce work of art easily and safely. In addition, the use of natural color can stimulate students' mind to express relevant color ideas. So, our innovation objectives is to assist teachers to use natural color as a primer material during the learning process, and also to facilitate the management of subject teachers to handle activities. Moreover, we would like to use the natural color as an equipment and materials which can be managed well, systematically, and the workspace become more tidy and comfortable. It also allows people to use natural colors wisely in their artwork. The synopsis of our innovation. Simply put, this natural color technique is the method where the students will be asked to use the natural colors produced for coloring. This color allows students to produce works of art easily and safely. This also stimulates the minds of students to express relevant color ideas based on image. Currently, visual arts education has been fully dignified as a subject that plays a major role in teaching and learning as the subject grows the curriculum. Visual arts education means the process of producing works of art by involving aspects of understanding, appreciation, and critique of aesthetic feelings and the power of creativity through the imagination and conception of students. Now, let's see the process of producing natural color. First of all, we chose oranges, strawberries, and blueberries just because they are the sources of our primer colors. These fruits are dehydrated in a food hydrator or baked on a tray in the oven at 150 Celsius until they are dry, which is without burning. Secondly, the dried fruits are ground into powder with a grinder. Third, the natural color powder is stored safely in an airtight container. As for the cost of our innovation, we wanted it to be cost effective. So we only chose localized items such as fruits, which is orange fruit, strawberry fruit, blueberry fruit, and it only cost us 59 ringgit 30 cents only. Now, how to use this natural color powder? Now, after introducing the color powder to the respondents, they are required to choose the premier color, which is the base color that suits the artwork that needs to be produced. They also can choose two colors, which they have to draw an outline to form the brighter color. The respondents are required to use a special water brush to use the second color. So the respondents will begin coloring by adding layering and combining multiple colors to enhance the artwork, and finally they can clean the brush. Effectiveness of the innovation in teaching and learning. This nature color helps students to understand the concept of color and produce an attractive artwork because the natural color produces more vibrant colors with excellent pigment and does not have any additives. This also helps students produce an artwork with minimal effort which has a longer shelter life. This also ensures clean working space which attracts students' interest into arts projects. This also enables students to understand the impacts of additives, synthetic materials, and toxins. So now, the potential of this innovation to be expanded. First of all, this is cost effective. It can be used in various subjects to improve and enhance the effectiveness of teaching and learning process too. This replaces the usage of normal watercolors, and this natural color can be produced using many other natural resources such as coal, vegetables, fruits, and plants. In conclusion, this innovation is not only interesting, but it is also able to increase the understanding and ability of students to recognize colors. This natural color innovation is indeed a new idea which brings many benefits to teachers and students in the teaching and learning of art subject. So we do hope that this natural color can be utilized properly by other teachers also.